Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on the WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to delete highlights on your Instagram app. You can delete your highlights, your archive highlights. You can delete your archive store. I'll show you everything on this video. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here this is my mobile, and let me open first Instagram. So open your Instagram application, this is my demo Instagram. So in order to check your highlights, you need to go to your profile. So just tap on your profile photo in bottom, or you will see your this profile. Now this is your highlight story, so you can delete it. Just tap on hold for 1 second and this option will become, and now you can delete from here. You also can edit your highlights. So if I want to delete it, I have to click on this, then it will be the another pop-up will come. Now tap on delete, so highlights will be deleted. So if you click on this new tab, so here you can see your all archive, or you can see your all saved highlights. So I can delete it. Go again this three line option, and here you can see archive option. In archive you can see your stories archive, your post archive, and your live archive. So just go to the story archive, and from here you can delete it. Just tap on it and open it. Now here in bottom you will see the more option. Tap on it, and here from here you can delete it. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.